Hello guys. In the last video, I received many complaints regarding the quality. So now I have changed the quality of I'm using a better microphone now. So let us start. The gas laws which we'll study now are the result of research carried on several centuries on physical properties of gas. The first reliable measurement on the properties of gas was made by Anglo-Irish scientist Robert Boyle in 1862. The law was formulated as Boyle's law. So means Robert Boyle gave this Boyle's law. Later on, attempts to fly in air with the help of hot air balloon, motivated by Jack Charles and Joseph Louis Gay-Lussac, to discover additional laws. Contribution from Avogadro and other provided lot of information about the gaseous state. Means he got lot of information from previous scientist who was Avogadro. Avogadro number, you all might be knowing it. This Avogadro number is very important. The 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Fine. This is the Avogadro number. 23. Now, Boyle's law. Boyle's law. Pressure volume relationship. Now, on the basis of his experiment, Robert Boyle reached to the conclusion that at a constant temperature, the pressure of a fixed amount of gas varies inversely with its volume. Means what he wants to say, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Example to make you understand, I can do like this. If I keep a beaker over here, I give it a piston, right? If I press it from over here, so if it comes over here, like if I press it more, the volume will decrease, right? Since we are increasing pressure, it will come more down. Where it will come more down, then only this much volume will be remaining, right? Density will increase, that's no doubt, but pressure is increasing and volume is decreasing. Volume is nothing but area which anything occupies, right? Now, this is known as Boyle's law. Just that pressure is inversely proportional to volume. This is known as Boyle's law. Mathematically, it can be written as this. But there's a condition: at constant temperature and number of moles should remain constant. Temperature and number of moles should remain constant. So what we know that when we want to remove this proportional symbol, then we can keep a proportionality constant, right? Now what we can say, when we take this v over here, then it will become p into v equal to constant. So this is also very important. This can come in your numericals. He might give you volume and the constant, and he might ask you to find the pressure, right? Also, see, K is known as proportionality constant. The value of constant K depends upon the amount of gas, temperature of the gas, and the units P and V are expressed. On rearranging the equation, we get this. It means that at constant temperature and pressure, the product of pressure and volume of a fixed amount of gas is constant, right? This is also important. So, see, I am forcing over here. Sorry guys, I made it little more dirty. Okay. It means that a constant temperature, products of pressure and volume of a fixed amount of gas is constant. Okay. But he's saying pressure and volume of product is always constant. Okay. So to explain you that it is constant, let me come over here first. Look at this table. This is a very important table. You need not remember this, just for your convenience. So when you multiply this and this, what you will get? 22, 4, right? Now you can take any of them to check. They might vary by a decimal 1 or 2 points, but they will be almost be equal to this, right? Almost be equal to this. And you see like which one is easy. You can check this one also. See, now 10 into 22 to 22.4, what you will get? 2, 2, 2 to 4. This 224 is nothing but a constant, right? Now let us come over here. Now, if so now look at here. This you need not read this, not all this, not at all important. So if we keep a gas and volume constant, then we know that there will be something constant will be there, right? At the same temperature and volume, matlab, uh, at the same temperature and number of moles remaining constant, if you take another gas and keep a pressure of V2 and volume, if you take of that gas as V2, then it will again become constant, right? This K and K you can easily substitute, it will become P1 V1 into P2 equal to P2 V2. So now if you more do editing, then you will get P1 by P2, V2 by V1. You can also remember like this because it is easy to remember. P1 V1 equal to V2 P2 V2. Right? Now look at this graph. What I said you. Volume. Just a second. Look wrong. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Right? Look at here. Pressure is increasing. Okay? As we go up, pressure increases. That means volume decreases. Right? Look at here. This is nothing but volume. This y coordinate is nothing but x comma y. Also you can take x comma y. Now look at here. X coordinate shows volume and y coordinate shows pressure. See, y is greater, of course, because y is lying over here and x is lying over here. That means that since pressure now look at here, it is going like a hyperbola. So what is happening over here? Pressure is decreasing, hence volume is increasing. Right? I hope I'm clear. Even if you guys get any doubt, you can ask it in the comment section. And many guys ask you why are you uploading only 10 minutes video. So the like reply to that is that the reason to this is that the since I'm not a verified user of YouTube, because I've just started my channel, so we as a basic we get a basic facility only. So in that basic facility, you can give only 10 to 15 minutes video maximum. I made a 30 minutes video. I was uploading it. It got completely uploaded, but while processing, it showed me that. So my internet also got wasted and my time also. Okay, no problem. Now let us continue. Look at this. 1 by V. When we just like when we keep volume in the what do you call denominator from numerator, then it will become 1 by V. Now when it becomes 1 by V, then you will get a straight line that every one of you can easily understand, I believe. If you can't, then you must have to go to a then you are I don't think so you are studying in a higher class. Anyway, I will explain you. See, when it is given as volume, fine, this is increasing. But when you just inverse it, then what will happen? Right? When you just take this as a denominator, then what will happen? A straight line. A straight line. Right? A straight line. A straight line. So that doesn't matter because see, again here, since pressure is going up, volume is decreasing, but this is also going up. The reason why I think some of you might be confused. The reason is you tell me 1 by 10 is greater or 1 by 100.